Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are diving into something little different, making art supplies using clay. We have always loved getting hands-on with our art, and we thought why not take it a step further and actually create the tools we are using. So grab your clay, let's get creative and see what you can make together. First thing first, let's get our clay prepped. You can use any clay you like as long as it's a versatile and easy to work with. I am just kneading it a bit to get it ready for molding. This part is all about making the clay soft and pliable so that shaping it will be easier. Now comes the fun part, shaping our clay. Today I am making paint palette sculpting tools. I like to start with a simple design and then just add details as I go. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. That's part of the charm of handsome supplies. You can always reshape it until you are happy with the final result. To give these tools a little extra flair, I am adding some texture using tool or item. This step is completely optional, but it really makes each piece unique and personal. I love adding little details that reflect my style. It's like putting a little bit of myself into each piece. Once I am done shaping, it's time to let these creations harden. If you are using oven baked clay, follow the instructions on your package for baking. If it's air dry clay, just leave it out for a day or two until it's completely solid. Make sure it's nice and hard before moving on to the next step. Now that everything is hardened, it's time to paint. I am using because it gives a great finish on clay. You can choose any color you like, be bold or keep it neutral. This is your chance to get really creative and personalize your new art supplies. And once the paint is dry, I am adding a layer of sealant or varnish to protect the paint and give it a nice shine. With everything finished, let's put these handsome supplies to the test. There is just something special about using tools that you made yourself. It adds a few new level of connection to the art of making process. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. I hope this inspires you to get a little gratify and make your own art supplies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching.